Hi guys! Good morning! Ano ba? Nahiya ako. Gusto kong gumawa ng video na I'm gonna try all the food in Borough Market. But of course, hindi ko siya magagawa in one day. Kaya this is one of those days. But I will be featuring my day here in London. It's gonna be 25 degrees. Kaya ganito lang yung outfit natin. It's not always cold in London. Pero yung init na days like this, it's just a few days in a year. Like a lot of days are just cloudy. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys. Ang aga pa ngayon actually. 7 a.m. pa lang. Imimit ko yung friend ko na vloggerish din. Interviewin ko siya about sa pagiging nurse niya as ICU. Galing siya kasi ng night shift. So, kailangan mag-adjust. So guys, welcome to another episode of Little Pinay Nurse Channel. We are here with a beautiful background para may iba naman. A special guest, Mr. Alroy. Ha! 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 Pwede na ba yun? Magpapapicture ako kay Mr. Alroy. This is pad thai with peanuts. It's very authentic. And also, I have mango sticky rice. Oh my gosh, this is my first time to try. Drizzle, sprinkle, sprinkle. First bite. There's sour. And I think there's taste of fish sauce. And it's just a really nice flavor like no other. Paano ba maging food vlogger? I'm finished. The sweet sticky rice, the blue color there, is butterfly pea.
Butterfly pea is supposed to be an antioxidant. It's an Asian flower. I think it adds flavor and obviously aesthetically it's more pleasing that way rather than when it's just pure white. It works together very well.
This is £8.50. It has a refreshing taste because of the strawberry. It's a good combination, but you can always do this at home. Like, look at this big strawberries. Bigger than my mouth. Ano, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba mag-vlog?
Out of all the shops in Borough Market, this product has the most views in all of social media, in Facebook and TikTok. And even my friends in the Philippines, when I went home, they said, "Have you tried a strawberry with chocolate?" We're like, "What?"
Bye!
Bye! Thank you so much. See you guys. Subscribe.
Okay guys, tapos na akong kumain. 11 a.m. na. Busog na ako. Pad thai yung kinain ko. It's my favorite. Anyway, naghihintay ako ngayon ng train papunta sa kung saan ako bumibili ng tela. So, it's like the fabric paradise. So, gusto kong gumawa ng pouches for men. Makikita nyo yan later. Para pala sa hindi nakakaalam, meron akong business. It's called Bibo Cute Crafts. So, sana supportan nyo naman. Okay guys, I'm home. Now I have to do my laundry. Kaya ko pa bang tapusin yung a day in a life na to? I don't know. And then after, I'm gonna do a little bit of crafting. Saya naman ako dito sa bahay. Nagka-crafting na lang ako. Ganito lang ako dito sa bahay. Wala dito yung housemate ko, kaya malaya akong gawin ko anong gusto kong gawin. Kung nandyan siya, medyo shy type ako. Nahiya akong mag-whatever dito. Pero yeah. So, yung binili ko kaninang tela is this one. It's green, pero makapal siya. Tapos, itong gray. Tapos, ito yung color combination. Yung gagawin ko today is parang panglalaki siya na version of pouch. Kailangan din nila ng parang mga organizer. Although, feeling nila hindi nila kailangan. Guys, you need those. pa ako kung ano kaya yung magandang prints. Sige nga. Okay guys, so ito na. Natapos ko na. Men's grooming kit. Tapos, ito naman parang wallet lang siya. Coin purse, pero medyo malaki siya na coin purse. Like, you can put cards, kahit passport, kasya dito. And this one, I feel like I'm gonna make more of this. I'm just not sure about the tela. I'm happy with the print actually. And I'm happy with the color. Kailangan ko lang talagang maghanap ng tela na maganda and sustainable for me. Kasi ito parang medyo nahirapan ako. I don't know, hindi ko feel yung tela niya. Pwede namang pagtiyagaan. Lagyan natin ng charger. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng baso. Uy, kasya! Kasya yung baso. Oh my God! It's so pretty! 6 p.m. na. Almost bedtime. Parang I've done enough of today's crafting and vlogging. Magmi-me time muna ako. Pero the rest of the day is tatapusin ko lang yung labahin ko. Hindi na ako magdi-dinner. Tsaka mag-i-edit din ako ng vlogs later. Siyempre, kung may time pa ako. At tsaka after, baka isang oras mag-browse ng TikTok. Pero at least naging productive na ako for today. So, pwede na ako maging lazy for the rest of the day. Bukas is off pa rin ako. Gusto ko maglaro ng tennis. Kailangan akong kalaro. Anyway, sana ay na-enjoy nyo yung vlog ko kahit ginawa ko lang to para makapagbenta. And I hope mag-subscribe kayo sa Little Pinay Nurse channel ko. Kung gusto niyo naman ng mga solo traveling, dun kayo sa isa kong channel, Little Pinay Explorer. Madami akong mga explorations dun. This channel, Little Pinay Nurse, is all about nursing at saka a lot of my life in Tagalog. Kaya ginawa ko yung channel na ito para makapag-Tagalog ako and everything. Dalawa na yung channel ko. Parang feeling sikat, pero gusto ko lang kasing i-segregate yung content ko na isa pang nursing tsaka Tagalog, tapos yung isa is English at saka pang international kasi yung mga travel ko na solo travel, iba-ibang bansa. So yes, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next episode. Bye!